Good morning. Today let us study the last part of prairies. The life of the people. The most of the people in America, especially in rural area, they engage in farming, cattle rearing, and converting agricultural or the grasslands into agricultural lands. Most of the works are done by machines because it is a highly advanced country. They generally don't do any work manually. Everything is done by machines. A few workers are required to complete a big work. America is a highly developed country in agriculture as well as in industry. It is it has full development. Many industries are found in the USA. Coal, iron ore, huge reserves of mineral oil have been found in the prairies. Since it is a rich country, people enjoy a high standard of living. Whenever they have any holiday, they go for picnic with the whole family members. In our country, whenever there is a holiday, we generally sit at home and watch television. But in USA, they go to either park or to the beaches with their family members. Enjoy the whole day. You can see here how people enjoy having their holiday, weekend holiday. Again, a beautiful garden where they spend their time during holidays. Very well maintained park. It is one of the many parks, very beautiful to see, attractive, neat and clean. Americans produce large amount of wheat than their domestic consumption. So they store their extra grain in a big cylinder-like structure. This is their godown. This is silos, cylinder-like huge structure where they store food grains are. This one. This is called this one. This is another one. This is another one. This is a line of silos. One silo is able to hold more than 10,000 quintal of grain. More. Small area is required, but the structure is going into the air. Huge one. This is the capital of USA, Washington DC. Very beautiful city, very attractive, modern city with all facilities are there. There is no city which is not developed. All cities are highly developed. New York, city of Hollywood film industry. So many marvelous buildings are there. Average height of one building is 100 stories average. Some are 150 stories, huge structures. From the background scene, you can understand how big they are. Now, points to remember. People in America or prairies are engaged in farming, cattle rearing, converting grasslands into agricultural lands or farmlands. Most of the works are done by machines, like sometimes harvesters are there for sprinklers, for spraying insecticide, helicopters, like that. Different. Everything is done by machines. coal, iron ore, and huge reserves of mineral oil have been found in the prairies. Wheat is stored in huge silos. Okay, thank you. With this, we end this chapter.